my name is Freedom. How to make this type of gear in Blender 4.2, and this is really easy. I'm going to show you everything from beginning, step by step. And now I'm going to just start all over again from the Blender 4.2. I click the empty area, press A and press delete. Delete everything. Next, just add a mesh, add a cylinder in this way, then go to edit mode. And now you can see, click here, select, hold the shift, select another side, just pull in that way. Alright, next, you may just want to select all of this to extrude it out. So you can just hold the shift to select it first. Alright, once you've done this step, then you can just press Alt E and just extrude the individual faces in this way. Right. Then just click this so that you can adjust the size. Now you can see it already become just smaller in this face. Then again Alt E, extrude face in individual faces. Wait, just Alt S, it's okay. Alt S. Now again adjust the size in this way. Now you can see it already become a gear. Or if you want to just use another type of the gear, I'm going to show you one more demo. Same as just now, press A, delete everything, just add a mesh, add a cylinder, go to edit mode, select the face, hold, just make it small, then click, select the face, hold the control to select everything like in this way, then Alt E to extrude individual faces, then just rescale it, then Alt S, rescale it again, Alt S, Alt S. Now it already become another type of the gear. So I already show you two types. The first type, type 1 and type 2. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make any gear. And this is really the easiest methods, just by using the cylinder. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell and subscribe to the notification so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!